G'day viewers, check out this beautiful G Power Edition Bigfoot Delica D5. She's just arrived from Japan, and have a look at this image. It's beautiful. This has been magnificently done up. Look at that, bush turkey alert. Woot. Sorry about that. Have a look at this. It's Bigfoot. She's got a lift kit. She's got a beautiful set of radial mud terrain tires, mud stars, JOS mud flaps, side protection bars, and look at the stance on it. This is ready for an off-road adventure. It's got a lift kit on it, but it's not too high. It's just tastefully done. It still drives very, very nicely. It's got good road manners, and it's just a delight to drive around town. But this is excellent off-road. It's been beautifully done up. It's got the rear wing. It's got a bit of a spicy Japanese tailpipe on there. It looks cool. It's not noisy. And you can see the over fenders that have been professionally fitted on. I think these are a JOS brand as well. So it looks factory. A beautiful job fitting these wheel arch extensions. And this is a solid steel side protection bar down here. This is an 8-seater version. This is Fluffy, the sales manager. So hello to Fluff. Bush turkeys and dogs in this video. What an interesting video. 8-seater, this one. You can turn this back seat into a bed. Stay there, Fluff. You're the star of the video, mate, after the car. This one's traveled just 123,000 Ks. Leather steering wheel. The G Power Edition's got dual power doors. It's got the factory floor mats throughout. Height adjustable seat. You can see there's very little wear and tear on this car. The driver's seat is immaculate. The leather steering wheel is very, very immaculate. It's a non-smoker's car. Comes with 2 keys rather than just the one, which is nice. You can open the doors with the buttons there on the side. It's got slip control or traction control, so very safe on slippery roads. And you just flip this switch here to engage 4-wheel drive or diff lock. So it's a pretty good 4-wheel drive. If you're going to go hardcore, this is a good car to do it in. You can tackle Fraser Island or something like that, no trouble. These back seats fold up and away, and you can see there from the hood lining, it's all like new. Definitely, it's got a nice sweet smell inside. It's a non-smoker's car. I'll pop the bonnet, give you a little peek under there. It's the 2.4 litre petrol motor, renowned for its reliability, and the 6-speed gearbox works really well. These are actually very, very good on fuel. They're quite inexpensive to run. Very good fuel economy. It's the same running gear in this Delica D5 as a Mitsubishi Outlander. So all the 4-wheel drive system, gearbox and engine, it's the same as an Outlander. Look at that little Fluff. He's cute, isn't he? Final walk around. It's an immaculate car. I can't find a mark or a scratch on this Delica D5. It's really, someone's loved this car in Japan. 2010 model, very low mileage, very immaculate condition. I'd say it's never been off-road. It just looks like this, simply to look cool. Fluffy wants a run in the park. And you can see these front headlight protectors are quite cool as well. Driving lights down low. That's it. If you're watching this video from interstate, call us for an interstate transport quote. Costs less than what you might think. That's my handsome face there if you want to come into the yard and say hello. We're at 1151 Victoria Road, West Ryde, or go to our website for the price, www.edwardlees.com.au, or call us for a transport quote interstate. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.